Hey everyone! Winter is here and it's time for a winter glow up. Cold weather can make our skin and hair dry, but with a little care, we can stay glowy, cozy and confident all season. Let's get started. Step 1. Skincare glow. Step 1 is deep hydration. Use a gentle face wash and apply a thick moisturizer. Do a 2-minute face massage with rosehip oil, vitamin E oil or almond oil. Instant winter glow. Step 2. Soft lips. No more dry cracked lips this winter. Apply lip balm every day and a tiny layer of ghee Vaseline at night. Do a sugar plus honey lip scrub once a week for baby soft lips. Step 3. Hair shine. In winter, hair becomes extra dry, so never skip conditioner. On weekends, try a coconut oil plus castor oil plus aloe vera hair mask. Shiny, smooth and healthy hair guaranteed. Step 4. Winter fashion glow up. Stay warm but stylish. Oversized sweaters plus boots plus scarf plus nude makeup equals classy winter vibes. Step 5. Inner glow. Glow isn't just outside, it starts from inside. Drink water, warm soups, vitamin C fruits, almonds and dates daily. Your skin will thank you. Step 6. Self-care glow. Hot shower, music, journaling, candles, anything that makes you feel peaceful. A relaxed mind equals a glowing you. And that's your complete winter glow up guide. Stay cozy, stay confident, and keep glowing this winter. Follow for more glow up tips.